See, most traders don't actually understand what makes a strategy good. They look at last two trades, three trades, and decide this is working or this is not working. But that's not how professionals think. Professionals think in terms of expected value, which is just a fancy way of saying over many trades, does this make money or not? Simple. The idea is you're not judging one trade, you're judging the behavior of the system over time. So the core logic is this: EV is equal to win probability times average win minus loss probability times average loss. Now, don't get stuck on the formula, just understand what it's trying to say. How often you win, how much you make when you win, how often you lose, how much you lose when you lose. Combine that and you get your edge. If this number is positive, you have an advantage, not on one trade, but across a series of trades. And this is where most people break, because even with a positive edge, you can still lose 3 trades, 4 trades, even 5 in a row, and suddenly your brain goes, something is wrong, strategy stopped working. But nothing is wrong, this is just variance, randomness playing out in the short term. See, market doesn't pay you in a straight line, it pays you unevenly. Clusters of losses, clusters of wins, that's normal. But retail traders, they experience 3 losses and they quit. They change strategy, they jump to something else. Basically, they reset the entire system before the edge even has a chance to play out. Professionals don't do that. They already expect these losing streaks. They've seen it before. So what do? They zoom out. They look at 50 trades, 100 trades, then they decide. Not after 3 trades, not after 5 trades. So the real question is, are you trading outcomes or are you trading probabilities? Because consistency in trading doesn't come from being right every time. It comes from executing an edge again and again and again, even when it feels uncomfortable. That's the shift from trying to predict to trusting the math over a large sample. And once that clicks, your entire approach to trading changes.